Sorry, I thought I changed the last one to 3 minutes. These lovely birdies singing on the way. Cute little park, island of a park. There's some protected land over there for wildlife. But I think I did hear that there are coyotes at night. More brush. Cute views everywhere you look. I don't know if a tripod will make a difference, a little handheld thing. I didn't take the time to bring it today and adjust it. I will check it out at some point. I mean, I have it at the house. I'm not sure if someone fell right here, but there are cones. It looks just like the rest of the entire path we just took, but there didn't used to be cones there. I do think I want some more rugged, like hiking / running shoes though. So my running shoes are a little slidey sometimes. I'm gonna make it to the beach before the sunset today, so I don't think I'll stay for it today. It's like an hour away.